Hello, good morning, children. Hope you are fine and keeping well. Today, I am going to teach you about notice writing. Notice writing is one of the most important questions that is asked in the board examination. In this class, I will teach you what a notice is about, the purpose of writing notice, the layout or the format of writing notice, how to write notice in the paper as well as outside of life. Characteristics of notice writing, specimen of notice writing, division of marks and word limit. Let us see in detail what a notice is about. A notice is a short piece of formal writing used to inform the concerned persons about something important. Notice writing is a formal communication targeted at a particular person or a group of persons. Notice can be an invitation to a meeting, an announcement of any event, to give certain instructions and make appeals. It is generally written and then displayed at a public places where it is easily available to all. It is strictly factual and the formal information and is based on the top management information. Language is simple and formal. No flowery words are necessary. So finally we can conclude that notice writing is very formal. Therefore the language also must be simple and it must be very clear to the public or to the people, those who want to read the notice. The purpose of notice writing. We write notice to lead the learners to substantiate an understanding of the connection between writing and thinking and demonstrate effectiveness in using verbal and non-verbal language appropriate to the goal, which means it is asked to write the notice whether the students are able to understand the question, how they think and how they present their thinking in written form. To let people know about a certain event, to spread information, to announce and publicize the news and events, and to reach a wide range of audiences. This is the purpose of writing. But for a student, what could be the purpose and why the board examination asks a question to write notice is that the students are able to express their ideas in the short composition. Now let us see the format of writing notice. And the format has to be followed and it should be kept in mind while writing the answer. Notice is written in a box. You can draw with pencil. On the top of the notice, you write the name of the organization or name of the institution, which means name of the school where you study. For example, Delhi Public School, New Delhi. Or it can be institution or a club or any organization. Then it can be Red Cross Society, Jabalpur. Like that, you have to write the name of the institution on the top. Then you should give a space, write the word notice also again in a bold letter. The left side of the notice, you write the date of publishing the notice, the date of writing the notice, Then again give one space, write the suitable heading, and it should be eye-catching, attractive, and must be written in 2 to 3 words only. The contents here you must able to reply the answer of 5 W's, namely what the notice is about, where it is to be conducted, when is the time, who are the people for whom the notice is written. If you give the answer of these W's, your answer is perfectly correct. Then you put a signature followed by name and designation. This sequence has to be followed. First you will be writing the name, then the designation. Don't alter. This is the correct format of writing notice. By the way, why do we write notice? We write notice because it conveys information in a comprehensive manner. It is usually in advance information about a happening or general instructions, an event that is going to take place or that has taken place, a function that is going to be organized, an inauguration of school building or the computer wing. It could also be a notice for lost or found, or public notices regarding the issues that has to be discussed in that particular time. What could be the topics for writing notice? When we talk about the notice in general, the topics for notice writing could be as follows. A notice writing can be related to competition, an excursion trip, a lost or found notice, an inauguration to take place, an exhibition is to take place, social science exhibition, book fair, and so on. Blood donation camp to be held, eye donation camp has to be held, or so on, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. Now let us see the characteristics of notice writing, which is most important, and everyone should know the characteristics of notice writing. Once you come to know the purpose of notice writing, it will become easier to write. Notice writing should be very brief. The sentences in the notice writing should be short, concise, but should express a thorough reflection. It is a straight to the point information. It is expected to be direct and clear. Notice writing must be complete in all sense. It should respond effectively to the 5 W's. What the notice is about, where the event is going to take place, why the notice is written, when is going to take place, and whom it is written, and one H. Authority. Who can be the authority? The person, one who writes the notice. The organization that is writing the notice, the office, is the authority in a person. So in the Question paper, it will be written, you are president, you are head boy, you are secretary. That means you have an authority to write the notice. Clarity, it must be crisp and straightforward. And the language that you select, it must convey clarity and formality. So, keeping all these 5 points in mind, you must always think to make and to write the notice correctly, concisely, clearly, and easy to understand for the people. Having discussed some of the rules, now let us see an example which will enhance you, which will help you to understand better and write the notice correctly. On the occasion of Annual Science and Technology Day, Delhi Public School, New Delhi has decided to organize a science fair. Vikram, who is the secretary of the Science Society, wants a meeting of the office bearers to discuss the arrangements for the science fair. Write a notice in not more than 50 words. Dear children, in the question, the answer is given. Only you need to arrange them. The name of the school is already given here. The date of writing that you have to invent, when it is to be held, and for whom it is written. Designation is already given here. Now, if you understand this question, and when you are not able to get, you can again reread the question and start writing the answer. The possible answer is Delhi Public School, New Delhi, as it was discussed in the layout, very legible, neat and clean. Leave one space again. Write the date of writing or publishing the notice, 24th June 2020. The word notice in bold letter, followed by, after giving one space, write the title of the notice, Science Society Meeting. The answer is, on the occasion of Annual Science and Technology Day, the Science School is going to organize a fair. All office bearers are requested to attend a meeting in the school library on 30th June 2020 at 4 p.m. to discuss the arrangements for the science fair. Very clear. The date of event is already there. The time is also given here. The place, that is the meeting has to take place, is also clear. So if you feel, you can underline it. Otherwise, the answer of these must be written in your answer sheet. Then the name followed by the secretary and designation. Let us see another example. Here you see another example. Army Public School. Format will remain the same. Remember, 28th July 2020 it will be there. 9th standard books. This is to inform all the students that I have been promoted to class 10th or class 12 and want to sell my 9th standard or 12th standard Central Board of Secondary Education books. The books are in a fairly good condition, and I will also be giving a discount of 30%. The cost of respective books is as follows. English textbook, the price. Mathematics, R.D. Sharma, the price. Social science, Hindi, name of the Hindi book. Science, the publication that you want to sell. And information technology, again you can mention the publication also, so that the people, those who are concerned to buy this book, will see. If you are willing to buy the books, here is my contact number and the name. So here we have seen there are two sample questions. If you again want to understand better, you can again go back, see the format, see the first answer, see the second answer, then again after having understood, you try to practice question. If you practice more questions, it will become easy, and it will become easier to understand and to write the question. Assignment that you have to do, and every child has to do this assignment. This assignment will help you to score full marks in this question, and the examiner will be very happy to read your answer. The assignment number 1 is, you are Seema Sudhir, the cultural secretary of your school. Write a notice for your school notice board in 50 words, inviting students to participate in an inter-school poster making contest. Question number 2, you are Komal. Your school has decided to organize a cultural program to raise funds for the victims of Orissa super cyclone. As the cultural secretary, write a notice in about 50 words giving details to your schoolmates. So dear children, this is the question. Now, one thing you remember, that notice writing can become perfect if you practice more, or if you see the different patterns of question that is asked in the board examination and try to solve the question. After having written the answer, you must show the answer to your concerned teacher, and the mark that you get, if you fail to get full marks, please get familiar with the question and seek the help, so that your teacher will assist you, help you to write the better answer. Thank you.